How to enable dark mode in Threads app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Threads app to make your app easier on the eyes. So dark mode helps to reduce eye strain, save battery on OLED screens, and it also looks cool. But let me tell you that Thread does not have in-app dark mode toggle, but it follows your system's settings. So you'll need to change the system default. For that, you'll need to head over to settings and then go to display and brightness, and then you'll see appearance. Just tap on dark. Now, this means Threads will match your phone's theme automatically. You can come back and then check your Threads app, and there you go. It has now turned into dark mode. So, if this tutorial helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.